you know that if you live in the UK and you currently hold a biometric residential permit card, it will no longer be valid from the 31st of December 2024 because it's expiring on the 31st of December 2024, and what you need to do is to convert it to an e-visa, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. Do well to watch this video to the end and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Let's get started. By now you should have gotten a text message or an email from the Home Office telling you how to access your e-visa, but I'm aware that some number of people might not have gotten that message and they're wondering, how can I do this? Okay, so if you've gotten the message, what you need to do is to click on the link in that message to create your e-visa. But if you've not gotten that message, what you need to do is to go to the UK government website, gov.uk, type e-visa and click on the link that comes up, follow the prompts, and yeah, it's going to get you there. I'm going to show you exactly how I did mine so that you can follow the process as well. Once you click on access my e-visa from the gov.uk website, it brings you here and it will direct you to create an account if you don't already have one, but if you do have one, it will direct you to sign in. So I clicked on the link from my email and it brought me here, and I have an account, so I have already signed in. So I'm just going to click on start now. All right, so once you click on start now, it's to open this form where it will say link your e-visa to your account. Click on continue and it will direct you to confirm your identity by confirming the type of phone you're using. You continue and it will direct you to the UK Immigration ID Check app. If you don't have it, it's directed to the Play Store or Google Play to install the app. I already have it, so it's just going to open up the app automatically and confirm that I am the one by sending me a 6-digit code, which I confirm. All right, and proceed, and it's going to automatically connect you to the app, and it shows you how to start using the app. You can take images, you can scan your document on it and take a photo of yourself. Everything is self-explanatory on the app, so it directs you on how to do that. It will ask you what document you want to use, your international passport or your BRP. So you scan it, you scan your document, you confirm your date of birth. It's going to show you the information that was captured. If it's correct, you click on continue, and if you wish to continue on the phone you're using, you can continue, but if not, you can disconnect. So I clicked on continue and it took me back to the form. It brought me back to the gov.uk website to continue my application. After your identity is confirmed, the next phase would be for you to choose your location, if you're currently in the UK or not. So if you are, you choose yes and continue. You can edit your answer from here, or you can just choose to continue if you're sure it's correct. Then the next would be for you to choose your contact preferences. So you're going to choose your email address if you already have one there, but if not, you can type it in. So for me, I already have mine. I choose the correct one and continued. Okay, I click on continue and then I choose the correct phone number as well, confirmed my phone number and continue. The second set of the application security question, it is in 3 sets. Okay, and you have to answer one question from each set. All right, so choose the question that you're conversant with, provide a unique answer to it that you can always remember. This is vital because it helps in your account recovery in case you have been locked out or something. So first set of questions include questions like, what is the name of the first school you went to? In what city or town did your wedding take place? What is the first job you ever had? What's the last name of your favorite teacher from when you were at school? In what city or town did your mother and father meet? And second set of questions include questions like, in what city or town were you born in? What was the street name of the first house or flat you lived in? When you were young, what did you want to be when you grew up? What's the name of your partner? What was the name of your first pet? And the third set of questions include questions like, What is your favorite film? What is your partner's mother's name? Which city or town was your father born in? What make was your first car? What is your eldest sibling's middle name? If you're satisfied, just click continue, all right? And it will bring you back to the form. And the next phase would be declaration. It's going to ask you some questions to confirm if you are the person submitting the application or you're submitting on behalf of someone. If you are, just confirm that and continue. Then the last phase would be submission. If you're satisfied with everything, you can either confirm and submit or save and return later. I was satisfied and submitted, so it brought up this page. Your information has been submitted and you can choose to finish and leave the service. Congratulations, if you made it here, then you have successfully made the application for your e-visa. Congratulations.